Hello viewers, welcome to back my our channel Crochet Lovers. So viewers, how are you? I hope you all is fine, will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited and you continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs show to your people in the. If you like today video and share it and family members, you can't many videos from my videos very helpful and useful for you guys. So I keep well sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to write in the comment box how will like and subscribe you want to videos related crochet. Visit my channel lovers, and today video is bikini and crop top designs. Crop top designs. Now did to the work yourself. If you guys do, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make similar designs. For this type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such video. Is amazing. Every videos has a lovely designs for you. Don't miss my every videos on my channel. So friend, today in the videos my channel, I am very happy that you like my videos and good comment. Please let me no comment if you guys are interested in my videos. I am very grateful to take people who are subscribed to my channel all the designs. Thanks my dear.